Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a new custom bullet list, and we'll be using the Nittany Lions head. This does work for any other image, so you can use anything. However, today we will be using the Nittany Lions head. There are a few things that you need to do before you start anything. One of them is a list that you want bulleted within a Word document, and the other being one, maybe two images that you want to use as your custom bullets. Alright, so let's jump right into things. First, what you want to do is highlight the first element in your list. And then you want to come over here to this drop-down arrow next to the bullets list, and this brings up this menu. Here we're going to define our new bullet, which pretty much what that means is we're going to import our own picture. We're not going to use a symbol, we're not changing the font of anything, so let's go into a picture. And then this screen will pop up, and then you want to browse the files on the computer. We'll be using a Penn State photo today. And as you see, this does give you a nice little preview of what the bullet points will be looking like. Let's go ahead and input them. Alrighty, as you see, our first element now has the Nittany Lion logo right as a bullet point. So obviously you would want everything else to follow the same pattern. So we're going to highlight the rest of the material. Once again, click the drop-down arrow next to the bullets. However, this time what you see is we have our new logo, which is our custom bullet point. So we'll go ahead and input them. And sometimes when you do a list, you have indents. So you'll click enter and then tab over. As you see, this is an empty white circle, which does not match our Penn State theme. So we can actually go ahead and change this one as well. Let's go back up to our drop-down arrow next to the bullets list. Here we can default our new bullet, or define the new bullets. Once again, we'll click the pictures. And once again, we'll have to browse through our computer to the picture that we want. This time we're going to use the Nittany Lion picture. And as you see, likewise with the other one, this does give you a preview as well. So we'll go ahead and input these. And as you see, now these two are combined into one. So now what you want to do, you want to head over here to the multi-level list tab. Once again, click the drop-down arrow. Here's the one that we're going to use. But we want to make sure that we can use this before, so we'll save it. So this as the first layer is our first picture, and then the second layer as this picture, which is perfect of how we want it. So we'll click OK to create this list, and now these have the lists. So we'll go ahead, do the same thing again, but as you see, there is the white open circle. What you would do, you just highlight this again, click your multi-level, and create the one that we just created. We can actually go ahead and highlight all of the other ones with the multi-level lists. And what we did is say we do put this extra tab in here, and I'll show you an example. It automatically will change to the other Nittany Lion photo, so we won't have to go ahead and change them one by one anymore. And that's pretty much how you create your own custom bullet points list in Microsoft Word.